Hi everyone. So today we have Becker Le Mans from 1980s. Radio is after full service. Unfortunately, we didn't manage to install Bluetooth in this one, but it's in very good, not perfect, but very good cosmetic condition. Belts are changed, the head's cleaned, and lubricated what has to be lubricated. Also, this radio originally is 24 volts, so this sale will include this adapter which we made to make it 12 volts or 24 volts, whichever you need. Okay, so it's very simple to use. Simply plug it to the radio, and here is the positive and negative. That's all you have to connect to make it work on 12 volts. Okay, very easy. So in a minute we will test it out the radio. So let's test it out. Radio works. Let's see the cassette. Okay, let's go forward. Works just fine. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Okay, these buttons originally has no lights, so only this corner originally works and the cassette plays. Okay, so lights are working perfect. There is not much to show. Radio works as it should. It's a really rare model, also in brown color. So whatever car of yours has a brown dashboard, it will fit perfectly. Thumbs up.